600,000 pesos. Receiving the 600 pesos. 600,000 pesos. Magbabayad pa ako. Sorry. Baka magbayad ako. 600,000 pesos. Our first runner-up goes to... Louder. Who is this year's first runner-up? Ladies and gentlemen, the first runner-up goes to New York.